Ever wondered how to use the word fabulous like a native speaker?
When Evelyn walked into the party, she was wearing a sparkling black dress, her hair perfectly styled, and her smile lit up the entire room like she was a movie star. When she entered, the room went quiet for just a moment. All eyes turned toward her. Even the music seemed to fade as people admired her presence. Her friend leaned closer and whispered,
"Wow, you look absolutely fabulous."
and she truly did. She had a fabulous personality. Fabulous means extremely wonderful, amazing, or very impressive. Just like Evelyn in that unforgettable moment.
Meaning of fabulous.
Fabulous means extremely great, amazing, or wonderful. It is used to describe something that makes you feel incredibly impressed.
Fabulous means extremely great, amazing, or wonderful. It is used to describe something that makes you feel incredibly impressed, pleased, or happy. Pronunciation of fabulous. Let's learn a great word today. It is fabulous. Now, normally, fabulous. Can you try saying that word? It means wonderful.
Fabulous!
Examples of fabulous.
She looked fabulous in her elegant dress.
The food at the restaurant was absolutely fabulous. We had a fabulous time at the party.
She did a fabulous job on the project.
Synonyms of fabulous: amazing, fantastic, wonderful, incredible, marvelous.
Antonyms of fabulous. Ordinary, normal, unimpressive, awful.
Please like, share, and subscribe Word Voyage for more word stories in a fun way. Word Voyage for more word stories in a fun way.
Also, write your sentences and give your feedback in comments.